how to monitor applications in Mac and how to stop them. Let's see. You click in any empty area in your desktop. From the menu on top, select Go, and then go to Utilities. Once you are Utilities, select the Activity Monitor. This will show all the applications that are running and also the usage of CPU and memory, and also the name and the ID of the process. All these are the applications that are running and also the usage. If you want to stop an application, double click. And then you have the option here to quit. Quit, force to quit, and cancel. Let's do a quit. It should stop the application. And it's gone. Stop. You can do the same to stop an application. If you click on the Apple here, the Apple icon, and then select force to quit. But here it will show you only the applications that are running at that moment. You can select it and stop it, force to quit. These are applications only. The monitor, on the other hand, it shows everything. All the system files that are running and including the applications. So this is the tool to monitor the load of the applications and the way to stop them. So this is the way to stop an application and any other file that is running on the system. You come to the monitor system and then select the file, double click and stop it. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.